8x6. And this is our room. Oh, we got some vino.
Once again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Alex, your assistant director here, with some updates on the accessibility of those following staterooms on the following decks. So we're adding deck number 12 and deck number 13, together with staterooms that are located on deck 9, 10, 11, 14, 15. Now once again, if your stateroom located on deck number 12 or 13, the staterooms are there now accessible for you, for example, for drop off the luggage right there. However, your hard working housekeeping team still placing those final touches, and I'm going to be making another additional announcement once they can be ready for you. Once again, if your
that's kind of like a funky corner.
It's deck 9, 10,
how do I open
11,
this?
12, 13, 14, or 15, you may now proceed and drop off the luggage as they are
Door lock, pull to
your
unlock.
hard-working housekeeping team is still placing those final touches.
Aha! Here we go. Oh, we were just walking above this earlier. We might want to close this divider though. Quite spacious. Guessing the last people were joined.
Caitlin kind of has to do that.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like locked.
So all this is because we booked through a TA. So we've got chocolate truffles. Oh, and it says to the most amazing Megan.
She's probably the only Megan she knows.
Bon voyage.
Room service and minibar. Do we have to pay for room service?
Yes. 1 bottle of house sparkling wine,
I can't do this with
white
my
wine, red wine, and chocolate truffles.
Well, you got plenty of wine to drink. Alright, well that's it for now.